Hello my friend, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about what I titled Forex Salvation. Forex Salvation. I know you'll be wondering, what does that mean? Yeah, just like a salvation, but if you are connected with us on this video, or today is the first time you are visiting our channel, or you just stumble on this YouTube video, I really say thank you to you. So all you can just do to support us on this channel is to subscribe. So smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, then smash on that bell button so that you will be notified when next we upload a new video. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. So do that for a second, then we continue with this video. All right, so talking about our forex being our forex salvation, you know, just like when you give your life to Christ, if you're a Christian, if you're a believer, then you will discover that Christianity is a personal thing. Okay, it's not about you, your husband, your children. When you get to heaven, it's going to be a personal thing. I'm going to give account of what I did here on earth, and you will give yours. So the same thing is in forex. It's like salvation. It's personal. Okay. Yes, we might be a coach, coaching everybody, teaching everybody different strategies, and but everybody cannot be trading the same strategies. Everybody cannot be trading the same time frame. In fact, I could pick 2 traders right now, and those 2 traders, I give them the same amount of money, that is, open the same account for them with the same amount, and ask them to trade. I'm telling you sincerely, they will still come out with different results. Why? Because we are different to each other. So one of the reasons why many people fail in forex, or why many people lose money in forex, or why many people quit forex, is they keep complaining and comparing themselves with another people. Oh, John is making $10,000 a day. How come I'm not making $10,000? Oh, Grace is making 60 pips or harvesting 60 pips daily. How come I'm not making, or I'm not harvesting those 60 pips? Oh, Paul made $30,000 last month. How come I am not making? So they keep saying that. And when you say that, you know what you are saying? You are comparing yourself, because number one, you don't know the type of account those people have. In forex we have 4 different types of accounts, right? You will have a nano account, we have mini account, we have micro, and we have a nano, we have standard. So if I am operating standard account and you are operating a micro account, we cannot be making the same thing. Because in my own account, it will be okay, $10 per pip. Your own might be $1 per pip. So even if we make the same, even if we get the same number of pips, we will come out with different dollar value. If I have $100,000 in my account and you have $1,000 in your account, you cannot expect to make the same amount of money that I'm making, because we cannot be trading the same lot size. We cannot be trading the same lot size. So if you trade a 0.1 lot size and I'm trading 10 lot size, definitely we will make different figure. We'll make different amounts coming out. But it's not about how much I make. It's not about how much another person make. It's about how much you are making. It's about how much you see yourself making And it's not about how much you are making right now. It's about how much you see yourself making in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years. I started trading Forex now for like 15 years ago, right? I want to believe that over 98% of us that attended the very first Forex seminar that I attended are not trading Forex right now. Why? Because they've quit. Many of us have our job as a backup. Like for instance, many people that signed up to be coached last year during COVID, by now most of them, over 90% of them, are nowhere to be found again. Why? Because the job has resumed. They've gone back to job. They've gone back to their work. Thank God for the jobs. But one way or the other, something will happen again. Then they will remember, oh, I think I signed up for this training. Then you will see them, they will come back again for the training. Also, you will see them, they will come back again for the training. So, oh, I signed up for this training and this and that, and they will want to like start all over again. So, when you see Forex as a business, as not just a side hustle, you will give it all it takes, and you will do all it takes to make it happen. You can start an account right now with $500. If you know where you are going and you have end in mind, it doesn't matter how much you are making. You might be making $2, $3, and you won't care because you know that you are making $1 today, $2 today. A time is coming you will be making $10. A time is coming you will be making $100. And if you know how to make $100, to know or to make $1,000 will not be an issue, because you can start an account small and you grow it big. You start small, okay, but you can grow it big. You start small, you think big, and you act now. So you cannot have a $500 account and you keep comparing yourself with somebody that have $500,000 in his or account. You will be depressed, because I'm just talking to you from my heart, straight from my heart this morning, because that is what I see. I mean, by now you know I'm a Forex Apostle. I coach and mentor many people, but it's just Pareto's theory. It's just the way it is. It is 80-20 rules. It's 80% of us that will make 20%, and 20% of us will make 80% of the money. Think about it. In your country, in United States of America right now, outcome is just about 6 people that is making most of the money that majority is supposed to be making. When you talk about people that are making the most money now in US, you talk about the Amazon, you talk about Facebook, you talk about Bill Gates, you talk about Warren Buffett, right? Then maybe you just add Tesla to it, 5 of them. Then if you add maybe 1 or 2 people, so like 10 people making, okay, over 90% of what all of us are supposed to be making. So it's the same way in Forex. The same way is Forex. You can have a class of 100 people and it will just be maybe only 20 people. Even sometimes it's 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's not the problem of the coach. The coach, the mentor, is doing what he or she is supposed to do. But the coach cannot come to individuals' houses and begin to wake them up and say, okay, it's time for you to wake up. It's time for you to trade. It's time. Okay, a coach will not come to your house and wake you up and open the computer and say, okay, now it is time for you to trade. No, it's a personal thing. So, let me ask you a question. Are you trading this Forex as a side hustle, or you are trading this Forex as a business? Because if you treat it as a business, then you will give it all it takes. In United States of America right here, if you want to start a business, a legit business, a real business, you will not start a business with $500, right? I mean, there are some businesses you can start with that, but I'm talking about real business. I have people that borrowed $100,000, $200,000 to start a dollar store business, and most of them will not even make $100 a day. So when you are trading Forex, how come you want to start a business with $200 and you want to be making $2,000 a day? Then later you say you lose money. Why won't you lose money when you have $200 account, but you are trying to make $20,000 from it every day? It is not possible. Life does not work like that. If it is that easy, then everybody should be a millionaire. Everybody should be millionaires, right? The purpose of this video is to challenge you. The purpose of this video is to motivate you, and if possible, the purpose of this video is to make you angry. Because you have to look at it that how come? I told myself some years back that it doesn't matter what I do, the field I operate in, I want to be at the top 10% in my field. Top 10% in my field. There are some people that are the top 1%, right? When you talk about Jeff Bezos, you talk about Warren Buffett, you talk about Mark Zuckerberg, you talk about Bill Gates, you talk about Elon Musk. These people, they don't have two heads, my friend. They don't have two heads. But what they just some of you might say, oh, they are lucky. They are not lucky. There's nothing like luck. Luck is when preparation meets with opportunity. You prepare, then opportunity comes. If you know what you are doing, there are platforms whereby you can approach, they will fund you. There are funding prop companies that will fund you, but you must know what you are doing. So when you know what you are doing, then they will fund you with your money. You make 70%, 80%, and they make 20% or 30%. Depends on which company you are using. I'm going to be creating a training on that or video on that very soon. So what I'm saying in essence is that Forex is a personal thing, ladies and gentlemen. Forex trading is personal. It's not about we, it's not about us. If you rely on the signal, I have an Elite FX signals. If you are one of our subscribers, thank you, we appreciate you. But the goal is not for you to remain as a subscriber of a signal service, because what happens when that signal stops, then it means you start from square one. You start from where you were before. So as a person, I don't like to give people fish. I like to teach people fish. And that is why I start the Forex Apostle Mentoring Program. So in case you are watching this video and you are wondering, okay, so how can I be mentored? Many people have sent me a message on WhatsApp. I want you to be my mentor. I want you to be my coach. Okay, yeah, I can be, but I cannot just be a mentor of a million people free of charge. That's just the fact. If you pay nothing, you will not do anything. It's just a theory, it's a law. Okay? So if you're looking to be mentored by the Forex Apostle, there should be a link below this video, or you just go to www.theforexapostlementoring.com. Let's connect together. If you have any question, I'm very open. I answer your questions, and let's see how we can help you. Okay, by the way, I want to say thank you so much, and if I've said anything that I ought not to have said in this video, just forgive me, but that is how it comes. You need to understand that your success, you are responsible. You need to be proactive for your success. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Stop. If you find yourself in a group or in a forum or where people share their results, yeah, they do that to motivate others, to encourage others, that if I can do it, yes, you can do it. But not for you to go on depression and say, oh, this person do this, why can't I? No, it's not about that. It's not about that at all. And most times, I don't even share my own trade results, but sometimes I do, just to motivate some of my students, and sometimes to make some of you mad. Make you angry that, okay, if Forex Apostle can do this, why can't I? So when you ask yourself, why can't I do it? Then you begin to do it. Okay? Thank you so much. My name is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. Thank you for this video. Smash on that subscribe button, subscribe, and smash on that bell button. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. God bless you.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.